Shut up and sit down.
Motorola is placed really well within the mid-range market. Customers can choose between three whole series of products. First, there are the Moto E4 and Moto E4 Plus, shuffling up a cheap mid-range with their good equipment. The Moto G5S and the Moto G5S Plus are offering even better cameras and a unibody case and are placed in the price segment between 200 and 300 euros, $249 and $374. Customers willing to spend even more can now pick the Moto X4, a 5.2-inch smartphone with a dual camera, a mid-range SoC and a case made of metal and glass that is protected against dust and water according to IP68. Furthermore, the manufacturer promises comprehensive voice control with as many as 3 integrated systems. Originally, Motorola set the asking price for this smartphone at 399 euros, $497, but by now the manufacturer is offering it for 349 euros, $435. Many competitors can be found in this price range, such as the HTC U11 Life, the Honor 9, the Xiaomi Mi 6, or the Samsung Galaxy A3. The Asus Zenfone 4 is more expensive, but it is still of interest in a comparison because it uses the same SoC. The Moto X4 is delivered in plain black color in a somewhat livelier blue, like our test device. While the case frame is made of metal, the front and back are covered with glass. The transition between the different materials is clearly visible and can be felt as well. The smooth back is slightly curved to the sides, which gives the smartphone an elegant look and makes it easy to hold. Fingerprints are an issue, but more so for darker smartphones than for our test device. This smartphone is very stable. It cannot be twisted, does not creak, and does not let any pressure on the front or back reach the screen. The measurements are mostly identical to those of other 5.2-inch smartphones, such as the HTC U11 Life. Following the Motorola tradition, it is rather slim, but has a protruding bullseye housing the camera module. Since the classic 16:9 build has been used, the front features comparatively wide bezels at the top and bottom, offering room for the fingerprint sensor. At 163 grams, 5.7 Oz, the Moto X4 is not exactly lightweight for its screen size. The case is protected against dust and water according to IP68. Meaning that it is completely dust-proof and can be submerged into water even for longer periods of time without any problems.